Greetings, younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights. It is I, the Grand Master Jeddalo, here to give you another lesson in the ways of the Force. And we're back with more Black Mesa. We're back with more Half-Life. A couple things before we get started. Remember, this channel's on the value for value model. So if you got any type of value from this video, please give something of value back, whether it be your time, talent, or treasure. More on that in the description below. YouTube is still very much broken, so make sure you're still subscribed to the channel. If you were, now you're not for some reason, please go ahead and resubscribe. And if this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe. It's free, it costs you nothing. And I do have a GoFundMe page open. Link to that is also down in the description below. All donations are going towards helping me pay a source filmmaker animator, which I have, my source filmmaker animator, which will be animating the Invasion of the Dead reboot. I've been trying to get that reboot out to everyone for over 2 years now, so please donate what you can if you can. All donations are accepted and greatly appreciated, and if you can donate, please share the link around to your friends, family, and on your social media. And a tech demo should be in the works, so yeah, hopefully shows everyone what you're donating for and gives you a, little incentive to, or at least share the link around. Alright, here we go. We're still on this train ride. Oh, wait, hold up. There we go. Alright, so we're coming up to a thing, so we have to look for a thing to throw the switch. Probably be some enemies coming up. Yep. Alright, so the train's gonna stop. Alright. You know what? Got a shotgun out for these guys. There we go. There we go. They're dead. Alright, let's see if there's something over here I need to throw. Nope. Nothing over here, so it's probably gotta go find a switch somewhere to throw it. Alright, so it's probably gonna be more army soldiers. Okay, I think that's probably the way I have to go. But let's see what's over here. Okay, so how many grenades I got? 4? Let's not waste it. There we go. They probably think, oh, that was Gordon Freeman. He walked right into it. He's dead. Mission accomplished. Oh, that poor son of a bitch is laying dead on the floor. Alright, let's see what's in these boxes. Okay, we got a satchel there. That's cool. That's cool. Alright. Hello. And of course, he's dead. Okay, so that one opened. So maybe I'm supposed to get on that train. Uh-oh. The hell? I hear a head crab. But I don't see head crab. Let's see if this one opened. Okay, yeah, this one opened. Okay. Alright. Oh, I guess he took that one. Okay. Any enemies over there? Nope. Alright, just keep moving on down the track. Alright. So... Oh! Oh! I see. What the hell? What the hell? Am I supposed to... I don't know. Makes no sense, Padawans. I don't know. Why can't I go forward? Oh, I can't. Okay. Am I supposed to jump on it?
Depleted.
Terrific. Okay. So great. So this is broken. That's great. Okay, so what am I... Wait. Aim at it. No. Okay, that makes absolutely no sense. Because I'm using the thing. How are you supposed to... I don't know. That makes no sense to me. I think the game is bugged. That's great. See, because what you're supposed to do is hit this thing, but the problem is that I don't know how. Hang on, Padawans. I need to go look up a video, and see if this is really bugged or if I'm just doing something wrong. Because if this is a bug, I'm just going to have to no-clip and go through the rest of the level without the train. Or until I can find another train, because I think this thing is broken. I think it's bugged. But I will find out in just a moment. Okay, Padawans, I'm back. I'm a little pissed off because I'm tired of dealing with crap. And, yeah, I did something wrong. So, yeah. So, over here, I gotta jump off the train. I gotta chase that one down. Because I'm supposed to get on that train. And I didn't. Now I have to run, and this is why we play with cheat codes, Padawans. This is why we play with cheat codes. It's why we play with cheat codes. So when an accident happens, you can fix it. Alright, now, we're at where we're supposed to be. Sorry, that's such an abrupt cut there, but that's how it is. Because the game does not... I'm so sick of this crap. Of course. This is why we use cheat codes, Padawans. This is why we use cheat codes. Because you gotta play through the bullshit of the game. Okay. Do I have something but shooting at me? Beat you to death. Come here, I'm gonna beat you to death. There, you're dead. Really don't like fucking having to fucking do all this fucking crap. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I know all about it. Boom, boom, boom. There, now he's dead. Okay, now we can go to this thing. Because before, it didn't make any fucking sense. So now I gotta go through these boxes. Alright, nothing in there. Nothing in those things. Alright. So why do we use cheat codes? Because accidents happen. And you have to cheat your way through the game. It's just how it is. Actually, let's get this out. Enemies over here. Alright, hold on. Stop, stupid thing. I can... Okay. Oh. Okay. See, that's gonna make a big ba-boom boom. But the satchel can fix that problem. Where is that? Okay, we just need to put one up there. Okay. Okay, that was stupid. Alright, Padawans. So, we're gonna call the elevator down again. Okay. I'll make up for that one I accidentally... Okay, so... Excuse me, Padawans. Okay, so... Oh, and I fall. Alright. Can I... There's no ladder to get back up there. Okay, whatever. Okay, I don't... Okay. Alright. So... Let me see something here, Padawans. Let me see, because I'm sorry, but I gotta use cheat codes. I need some ammo. I need some weapons. Okay, I need my shit. Okay, there. Because I need weapons to figure out what I'm doing, and I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so... Okay. Alright. Oh shit. Beat him to death. There, now he's dead. Okay, so... Alright, so I guess... I don't know. Thing makes no sense, Padawans. Just things in this game just make no sense. So... Yeah, there is no way to turn that off. So you just kind of have to duck. Okay. I don't know. Come on, get up there. Just duck. Oh, well. It didn't matter, we had cheat codes on. Okay, wait, hold up. Let's get out my pistol. There we go. Okay, I gotta go back to this gun. Alright, let's turn my flashlight off because we don't need that on anymore. Christ, my eardrum! Fucker! It was loud in my ear. coming up here to somewhere. Wait. Wait a minute. Why am I here? I think I'm supposed to jump on one of these things? Oh, stop. Okay, I have no idea. Oh god. There. Wait. This is a different section. Okay, I guess I didn't go in circles. It's kind of hard to tell where you're going. Sometimes it looks like, okay, I've been here before. But no, I haven't. Uh-oh. Where's he at? It's on that side. Stay here. I'll get him when I get the thing. Okay, here we go. Gotta waste two things there. Yes, we're using the cheat codes. Okay, I don't know. Give ammo? It's better. I think we like that. I think I like that a little better than the impulse thing. Alright. Make sure I'm all locked and loaded. Okay, so we got, I don't know, crouch down again, I guess. Crouch down. One coming up ahead. Shoot that thing. Yeah. Okay, yeah, because I would take me back, in a loop. Not sure where this is going. Okay, is the train gonna stop? Yeah. Alright. Okay. Let's go down. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go back up. Okay. Where's my satchels? No. Go. Roll those up. Okay. Alright. Oh. So, I can't go further on the train, it seems. Okay. That's fine, I guess. using my grenades. Jesus Christ, man. I gotta get closer. Where are you going? Oh, see? Okay.
So, who is this guy, Freeman? They said he was at Ground Zero. The science team? You think he was responsible? Sabotage, maybe? Yeah, maybe. I wonder for sure if he's been killing like buddies. Oh yeah, he'll pay. He will definitely pay.
Okay, there we go. Okay, just throw that. Oh! Ah, shit, you son of a bitch! I threw the wrong damn thing again. Sorry, Padawans. Got a little frustrated there, because I threw a damn thing and I didn't want to. Okay. Get that done. Alright. 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 The hell? Who's shooting? Oh, you motherfucker, you? Alright. What's this? There. How you like that shit? How you like them apples? Alright, so... let me see here. Anything over here? Oh, this is where I came from. Alright, so let me... Alright. Oh, I just hit the button. Okay. Close. He's dead. Oh, you picked a bad time to reload there, buddy. Now you're dead. See? So we gotta reload your shit. Alright, this is not goods. Okay, can I move these? Let's see. Alright, give me just a second, Padawans. Okay, I can't... Why is this stupid thing gotta be so difficult? I don't see what I mean? That's great. Now I can't... Gotta shoot with a grenade. Oh, great. Now that's completely... Okay, so what am I supposed to do? I know I'm supposed to move that, but now it's caught in a fucking thing and I can't fucking move it. Oh, I can move it like that. Come on, you fucking thing. Fucking stupid thing. Fucking stupid pile of crap. Alright, wait. No! Stop fucking... Go that way so I have some fucking room to move this fucker over. Fucking stupid thing. Okay, now push. Okay. Oh. Wait. If I... Okay, wait. Okay, see, this is very difficult. Very difficult. because you're trying to... Okay, I don't know how that got lopsided like that. Can I turn... Okay, I can't. That is really stupid. This is so stupid. This is so stupid. So I can grab it, but I can't move it like this. I can only move it side to side. Come on, you stupid fucker. Okay, wait. Hold it, and then move it like this. Alright. I have... Okay. Pull it away from the wall as much as I can. Okay, you stupid thing. Pull it away from the wall. God, I hate this thing. Alright, whatever. I'm done. Oh, okay. Well, there's that. Now you know I'm coming. So that was completely fucking pointless. I don't know. See, because I was trying to move it on a thing, but that's the problem. Because I couldn't move it to the way it was, because it got all fucked up. So, yeah, so this is where we're going to end this week's video. Sorry, this video was very, kind of rage-inducing, a little bit. I don't know if I'd really consider it rage-inducing. Okay, there's no point in that anymore, because it already blew up. So, yeah. But, anyway, that's all for this video. I just want to say thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And until next time, my younglings, Padawans, and Jedi Knights, remember, Force will be with you. Always.
Greetings, Padawans. I'm Commander Corvette of the Rebellion. The Grand Master has requested me to convey some important information to you all. He requested that you check out his Patreon page at www.patreon.com/Jeddalo to see all the bonus content and behind-the-scenes action you could receive when pledging to help his channel. All proceedings he receives from his Patreon will be used to help fund future missions, such as training tasks and crew, along with a possible cup of blue milk. And to finally defeat that uncharismatic tyrant, the severe asthma.